These are pretty neat. That serves the odd floors, that serves all the floors, that serves the even floors. Look at these fixtures, these are funky. We'll go to 6. They got windows. Apparently these were made by this company. Actually, I don't think so. It seems to me more like they just slapped that label on there. This is neat. I like these little windows in the doors. These are pretty cool, actually. All right, we'll go back up to 6. These are interesting fixtures. We'll get a close-up look at them. I like the hand-drawn door open. They push interesting. Does that say? No, that's just a Madrid plate. Yeah, I really don't know who installed these. What I'll do is I'm gonna send these down a floor after I film and shine my light into the window and the door and see if I can read what it says on the crosshead. But these are pretty cool, actually. Oh no, I won't be able to read through that. Whoa. Wait, look. What does that say? I see a brand. Hard to make out. That might just be for the, no, that's just for the interlock though. Look at that. Oh, watch, it's gonna go. The arrow came on, I would assume, so it's gonna go. Maybe not. Huh, I guess not. Anyway.